MA here. 3-pack of Sorcery. Let's go. One-shot Wizard. Cool. Broomstick Witch. Open Grave. Nice and Twosome. Pretty fun in draft. Willing Tribute. Hillside Chapel. Tribe by Water. Displace. Really cool artwork. Night Watchman. Really good. Get a ward on a site. And then Blue Curse Tower to break those wards. Awesome Brian Smith artwork here. Profane Revenant. Very good. Keeping it in the evil. Deep Sea. Persecutor. Nice. Good avatar. Savior. Back-to-back avatars. Very cool. And Blade of Thorns. Elite weapon. I don't have this one yet. Let's see. +3 power. I can't drop it. Loses 2 life. Wow. Okay. Alright. Got 2. A foil. Looking for foils in this box. It's my 3rd box. Gothic. Muddy Pigs. Really good and sealed. Plague Rat. Nice lethal creature. Slimy Mutants. Martyrs of Tomorrow. Hellhounds. Lure. Really nice artwork here. Grief Larva. Might be kind of fun. Burrow it on your opponent's side. I don't know. Ping damage. Mesmer Demon. Flaming Skull. Airborne Fire Spellcaster. 2 for 2. Very cool. Tribe by Fire. Pith Imp. Kibius. Night Gaunts. Very cool. Crazy artwork. Look at the detail. So cool. Feign Death. Fallen Angel. Saw a cool curio. Hopefully I get one of those one day. And the Dank Omphalos. These are really cool monuments. Can't wait to get these on the table and play them. Very cool. All right, last pack. Here we go. Let's get something good here. Oh, well, boy. Well, what is this? Maybe a foil? Maybe. Slimy Mutants. Yeah, there is a foil. All right. Hellhounds. Leadworks. Dreadwing. Oh, boy. Penitent Knight. Harvest Festival. All right, that's pretty cool still. Funny enough, I got one of these in the last box. Murder of Crows. Lesser Blood Demon. Open Mausoleum. Noxious Corpse. Really disgusting. Look at that. Bandages everywhere. Rotting. Lethal. Bound Spirit. Thin Ice. Fun card. Played this last night. Really fun card. Lots of skeletons. You can get 5 minions on there real easy. Enduring Faith. Holy Nova. And the Earl of Ivory Towers. Want to play with this guy. I have one already, so I'm glad I got another one for the Elite. Non-ordinary spellcaster. Can't be targeted or damaged by the ordinary. So he's, this dude's hoity. Look at him. Definitely from the upper class. All right. Later.